I have an important delivery today, and I think it might be in my post box. Bag Puss isn't around. He was here for breakfast, but he's wandered off. The pregnant lady's not in the trap, unfortunately. She's too clever for that. Here's my letterbox. I started painting it yesterday. I'm going to write my number on it. Oh, sorry. Let's have a look. Yay, look at that. Now, why do I need a new kettle? Because I made a hole in my kettle by leaving it on and going out into the fields. Yay. Hello, where do you pop up from, hey? You want a snack? Do you want some crunchies? Do you want some crunchies, hey? Now I can have a cup of tea without filling my stove top with water. Look, here's my kettle, my old kettle. And there. It leaks. Look, drip, drip, drip. And here is my new kettle. Hopefully it leaketh not. Dear Liza. Dear Liza. Look at that beauty. Look at that sad old thing. Oh well, it's arrived here. I can go to the, that's a big kettle. A bit too big for me. Anyway, I've got visitors coming, so it'll do good. Boiling kettle! Woohoo! Let's try not to melt the whistle off this one.